Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. This is me Trisha Ghoshal and this is Snehashish Mukherjee. अब तो ये बोल बोल के थक गए हैं. हम तो हम ही हैं. But here in indoor, from the time that we have come, we have got quite a few questions. We have been recognized randomly. We have been stopped from doing the whatever video we are doing, and there are people who have actually said, रुक जाइए थोड़ा हमारे साथ भी एनालिसिस कीजिए फिर आप जाना आप दोबारा रिव्यू करना एंड देन वी हैव गॉट सम ग्रेट फीडबैक you know that we have been covering women's cricket extensively and there are a lot of people. The best one was when one of the guys actually came and told us that he's not able to follow women like all the matches, but since we do the reviews and all that, it's great. But it's a sold out packed crowd.
Yes, absolutely, and back-to-back game.
Back-to-back games.
Yes. Initially it was India versus Australia in Vizag, and now it's India versus England. And why not? Two top teams.
And do not forget the India-Sri Lanka in Guwahati.
Yes, obviously India-Sri Lanka Guwahati. Even I will say the India-South Africa match in Vizag. I think
oh yes,
on a
the
weekday,
second session on a weekday with rain, no rain, that sort of confusion. I think it was
so good
brilliant.
To see, so many people, in the stands, even at 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. also. So I think the crowd have been fantastic. I think they have come up and support the team, and that should be in a home World Cup you should support your team. Obviously, team started the campaign with 2 wins. Obviously, things didn't go well in last 2 games, but hopefully the Diwali is also approaching, and what will be the better opportunity and better occasion for the team to come up with a fantastic win against England and brought back some smile in the campaign.
Absolutely. As you can see, we have got the teams back. No, bad joke. But the enthusiasm in the indoor crowd is so much that every day when we come out and we are shooting videos, there will be at least 3-4 people coming up to us and saying, do you have inside sources? And can you take us to watch the practice? And Snehashish and I have to very politely and very sadly with a heavy heart turn them down.
Yes, absolutely, because we don't have any access.
I mean, we have the access, but of course we cannot give them an access, and it's not allowed to watch the practice session.
Actually, what happened in the last 2 matches that happened in Indore, people were allowed what we learned from fans.
We learned from the fans here. We have no idea if people were allowed because as far as we know, fans are not allowed to watch practice.
Exactly.
But
some fans told that.
Some fans were only claiming that we were allowed. Why are we not allowed here? And as you can see, there are people there, I think, waiting because just the team has finished practicing one last time before the all important match, and they will be leaving shortly from the ground, not from Indore. Kal aayenge, match khelenge, and there is a crowd. People are waiting for to watch them. Something that we had seen in Guwahati.
Yes, absolutely.
Something that we had seen in Vizag. The best part, to be honest, about the crowd is this: that the matches start at 3. So by the time it's second innings, it's almost 8:39. And even then, there are families, there are kids who are there watching the game, which has been the most heartwarming thing to see.
Absolutely, and remember, Trishadi, the first game in Guwahati.
Yeah.
I think the kids, all the young girls also, and especially wearing Smriti Mandhana, Harmanpreet jersey. It was so good to see because that time in Guwahati, it was a Durga festival was going.
Yes, Durga
Puja was going. So, and I think it was,
being a Bengali, if you say Durga festival was going, people will disown you.
Sorry. I think it was Ashtami also.
It was Ashtami.
So on that kind of a day, to see that kind of a crowd, pulling up for the opening game of the World Cup, it was so good to see. So I think, as I said, that the crowd have been fantastic, and I think this is the high time for them to more come to the stadium and support the team, because the team has not managed to come up with their best plans, in the last 2 games. And this is the game that they would like to make a comeback, and first of the 3 comebacks, I will say, because all the games are must-win clashes now.
Absolutely. But from what we are hearing, almost close to 18,000 tickets have been sold, which is what was there, and it's a jam-packed, sold-out crowd.
Yes.
Whatever tickets were on sale, have been bought.
Yes, and the weather is very pleasant here.
Yes, that's
think-
one good thing. And the most important point here is even when it's sunny, like even in the afternoon, the weather isn't that bad. As in, it's not hot and
It's
humid.
not scorching.
Yeah, it's not scorching hot. There is heat, of course, but also the important part is there's no humidity,
Yes, absolutely.
which means that we could see more people coming in right
From the start of the
from the start of the game. Absolutely, but it will be a jam-packed stadium. Every single run from the Indian team will be cheered. Every single wicket will be cheered. And when I'm saying this, I'm already getting goosebumps because and think of the sound that the whole crowd will make. By the way, there will be Dholis, there will be the Bharat army coming and supporting Indian team. So there will be loads and loads of crowd. What have I liked best is also the fact that in OTT platform as well, I think the viewership has increased at least by 10 to 12%, if not more.
Absolutely, and I think ICC have already shared some
They
numbers.
shared numbers, yes.
Yes, and it was so good to see the numbers already. It is just the middle of the World Cup. Still, 50% have done 50% of the World Cup, and especially the knockout phases are we're approaching right now. So big matches
I
are
will
coming.
never be able to describe to you what this feeling
Yes,
is
absolutely.
because I have been with
because we
this
have seen
game.
the women's cricket from the
Yes, I have been with this game since I was a kid.
yes.
As a player, as an umpire, as a coach at different points of time, and then from graphics to production to reporting, a lot of phases where I've seen the game grow. This is the best phase of the game. I want all the matches to be good ones. Yes, one of the crowds actually before ending, I'll tell you this story. I was doing I had run out for the post show and we could not do it because it was raining so heavily. But one of the people, going out said, "You're Trisha?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "I follow Rev Sports regularly." I was like, "Yeah, sure." And he said, "You know what is the best part of the two matches that happened?" So I smiled and said, "I know what is the worst part, that India lost both the matches." He said, I know, but the best part is they were competitive matches. They were somewhere thrilling. Both the matches actually kept everyone hooked. I didn't know before I started watching women's cricket and this World Cup that women's cricket matches are this interesting. This was music to my ears, as you can understand from my smile. I hope more than a close game, this game ends in India win, but because fans are going to turn up in huge numbers, and you guys, of course, you guys play a big role as well in watching the match. Do join Rev Sports, and thank you so much for the support so far. As of now,
Absolutely.
good night. Hope you have watched the preview. We have previewed the India-England match. You can go to our YouTube channel and watch that and see who are the players we are watching out for, what could be the probable playing 11. As of now, bye. See you tomorrow at the pre-show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.